winner is him. Okay. We the end this. Shrek, your move. Bring on. Oh, lady, what are you gonna do? You got a good grip, old lady. And Mama saw it, but you made fishes stew up and said, "Oh, do it again, do it again." And then she did it again. She died, and then her mama said, "Thank you for taking good care of my boy." You son of a chicken. Oh. And the winner is Shrek. Next message. This guy. Hey, wait a minute. Did Shrek knock you out already? Go out. Dinosaur versus this guy. Bring on. Let the match begin. I'm ready. Were you ready? Dinner.